Hello and welcome to the Sat on My Butt channel for the review of the Golden Beards Beard Starter Kit. So I was sent this for review from Golden Beards and it's a nice little starter kit. What you get inside is, this is the Big Sur scent. You can see the reviews before that. You will get yourself a 60ml balm. You'll get yourself a 30ml oil. You will get yourself a 100ml conditioner and shampoo, and you get yourself a nice little travel size brush. So, as I say, if you want to check out the actual reviews for the products themselves individually, look back on the videos or on the website and you will see them all there. As I say, not bad at all. The oil, it's a nice little oil. Balm, I did struggle with the scent on this a little bit on the Big Sur, which is lavender, patchouli and lime. I found the lime just was a little bit alien to the blend. It just didn't sit in there right for me. And the shampoo and conditioner, and the star of the show for me is, look at this, a little boar's hair, a little travel size boar's hair brush made with pear tree wood. Very nice. I tell you what, it's really good on the tash, and I can see it will be good on a starter kit. But if you've got a beard that's got a bit of thickness like mine, I'm afraid it's just not man enough to really make it through. It would do for a little tidy up, I guess, but it's not going to actually get in there. But little boar's hair tash brush, very nice indeed. The beard starter kit will cost you £54 from goldenbeards.com. As I say, go back, look at the reviews for the individual products themselves. I'm having a trouble with brain connecting to mouth today. And you can get them in various scents on the Golden Beards website. £54. And I did look at that and I thought, oh, that's quite pricey, £54. But I guess when you price up all these individually, you know, if you used to go to another brand or whatever brand and price it up, by the time you brought yourself the complete lot, you are going to be talking quite a bit of money, aren't you? You know, these are all natural, handmade, small batch products, and so you're paying for that, and often, in my opinion, it is worth it. That is that. I'm going to give it a 90 out of 100 for the kit. Don't forget to like the review, subscribe to the channel. I will see you next time. Take care.